Good day everyone. Today our group transformation and ethical security Cancellations Airbnb. In this presentation, we will discuss how Airbnb uses digital technologies to improve its business, and how the company faces ethical and security challenges during digital transformation. This topic is related to management information systems, because companies today use information systems to manage data, support decision-making, improve services, and protect digital transactions. For our case study, we selected Airbnb. Airbnb is an online platform that connects hosts and guests. Hosts can list their houses, apartments, or rooms, while guests can search and book accommodation through Airbnb's website or mobile application. Unlike traditional hotels, Airbnb does not own most of the properties. Instead, it provides a digital platform for searching, booking, payment, communication, and reviews. This business model is part of the sharing economy because ordinary people can earn income from unused spaces, while travelers can find more flexible accommodation choices. Airbnb is suitable for this case study because its business depends strongly on digital technology and user trust. The platform collects and manages sensitive information such as names, phone numbers, addresses, identity documents, payment details, travel history, and private messages between hosts and guests. Because of this, Airbnb must not only focus on innovation, but also on privacy, ethics, cybersecurity, and trust. Now, let us move to the first main part, which is digitalization and technology related to CLO 2. One important technology used by Airbnb is the AI recommendation system. Airbnb uses artificial intelligence to recommend suitable listings based on users' search history, location, travel dates, budget, and preferences. This helps users find accommodation faster and improves customer experience. Another technology is machine learning. Machine learning helps Airbnb analyze user behavior and learn from past data. For example, it can understand what types of homes are popular, what prices customers usually prefer, and what factors influence booking decisions. This helps Airbnb improve search results, personalize services, detect suspicious activities, and make better business decisions. Airbnb also uses dynamic pricing. Dynamic pricing means that prices can change based on demand, location, season, holidays, and special events. For example, when demand is high during holidays, prices may increase. This helps hosts set suitable prices and helps Airbnb improve booking performance. It also gives Airbnb a competitive advantage because the platform can respond quickly to market changes.
Now, let us continue with the technology Freddy's part of Airbnb.
Another important technology used by Airbnb is big data analytics. Airbnb collects and analyzes data from users, hosts, bookings, reviews, locations, and payments. Through this technology, Airbnb can understand customer needs, identify popular destinations, improve marketing strategies, and manage risks. This shows that Airbnb uses data not only for daily operations, but also for future planning. Airbnb also depends on cloud computing because it serves users from many countries. Cloud computing helps Airbnb store information, process bookings, and support many users at the same time. This improves operational effectiveness and helps Airbnb expand globally. For a digital platform like Airbnb, scalability is very important because the number of users can change quickly during holidays, peak seasons, or major events. In addition, Airbnb's mobile application is also important. Through the app, users can search for accommodation, contact hosts, make bookings, complete payments, check travel details, and leave reviews. This makes the service more convenient because users can manage most of their travel process through their smartphones. A strong mobile ecosystem also improves customer experience because users can solve problems quickly without depending only on a computer. Airbnb also uses digital identity verification to build trust between hosts and guests. Since guests stay in private homes and hosts allow strangers to use their properties, trust is very important. Airbnb may ask users to verify their phone number, email, profile details, or government ID. This helps reduce fake accounts and makes the platform safer for both sides. Airbnb also uses online payment technology, which allows users to pay safely through the official platform. This reduces payment risks and helps Airbnb manage refunds, cancellations, and service fees. It also gives both hosts and guests a clear payment record. This is important because online transactions must be convenient, but they must also be secure and reliable. From these examples, we can see that Airbnb uses technology to improve competitiveness, efficiency, scalability, and user experience. Big data helps Airbnb understand users, cloud computing supports global operations, the mobile app improves convenience, identity verification builds trust, payment technology supports safer transactions. These technologies show how digitalization can improve organizational effectiveness in management information systems. However, digital transformation is not only about using advanced technology. When a company collects large amounts of data and depends on online systems, it also faces ethical and security challenges. Therefore, the next part will discuss the main ethical and security issues faced by Airbnb and the solutions that can help the company protect users and maintain trust. This links digital innovation with responsible practice in a clear, balanced way. Now we will move to the ethical and security issues faced by Airbnb. The first ethical issue is privacy concern. Airbnb collects personal data such as identity information, travel plans, addresses, payment details, and private messages. If users do not understand how their data is collected and used, they may feel that their privacy is not protected. The second ethical issue is misuse of data. Airbnb uses data to improve recommendations, pricing, marketing, and safety. However, if user data is used too aggressively for advertising or shared without clear understanding, it may become an ethical problem. Users may feel uncomfortable if the platform knows too much about their travel habits. Another ethical issue is algorithm bias. Airbnb uses algorithms for search ranking, recommendations, pricing, and risk detection. However, algorithms may sometimes create unfair results. Some listings may appear more often than others, while smaller or newer hosts may receive less attention. Airbnb also faces security risks. One major risk is data breach. Since Airbnb stores personal and financial information, it can become a target for cyber criminals. If hackers access the system, user data may be exposed, and customer trust may be damaged. Another risk is fake listings, where dishonest users create fake listings with false photos or addresses. Guests may lose money or face safety problems. Airbnb also faces account takeover, where hackers access user accounts through weak passwords, phishing links, or reused passwords. There is also payment fraud, where users may be tricked into paying outside the Airbnb platform. These issues affect competitiveness, trust, and compliance. To solve these problems, Airbnb should strengthen multi-factor authentication or MFA. Users should verify identity through more than one method, such as password, OTP, or email verification. Airbnb should improve AI governance by checking its algorithms to reduce bias. Airbnb should provide cybersecurity awareness by reminding users to avoid phishing links, use strong passwords, and never pay outside the official platform. It should also improve its privacy policy by making it short, clear, and easy to understand. Users should know what data is collected and how it is protected. Airbnb should improve fake listing detection by using AI tools, manual review, and host verification. Lastly, Airbnb should strengthen payment security by detecting unusual transactions and warning users about suspicious payment requests. In conclusion, Airbnb is a strong example of digital transformation. It uses digital systems to improve competitiveness and user experience. However, these technologies also create ethical and security challenges, such as privacy concerns, data misuse, algorithm bias, fake listings, account takeover, and payment fraud. Therefore, Airbnb must balance digital innovation with ethics, privacy, cybersecurity, and responsible governance. Thank you for watching our presentation.